Hello students, today we are going to solve fifth problem of concrete. Question is given as ISI has specified the full strength of concrete after. The first option is 7 days, next one is 14 days, another one is 21 days and the last one is 21 days. There is normally a gain of strength beyond 28 days. The quantum of increase depends upon the grade and type of cement, curing and environmental condition, etc. The design should be based on 28 days characteristic strength of concrete unless there is evidence to justify a higher strength for a particular structure due to age. So option D is the correct answer, that is 28 days. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much students.